I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic condition. This saves time. Remove batteries or attach a known good USB-C cable. Charge at least 30 minutes because low power mimics failures. Next, power cycle the console. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Once done, press the pairing buttons on controller and console. Listen for the flash. If pairing still fails, proceed to disassembly steps to test buttons and stick modules, since software resets only solve some issues. You now open the controller carefully to access the problem area. Remove screws and pry clips gently, noting ribbon cable orientation because reassembly depends on it. Clean button contacts and PCB with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, and blow out dust from joystick pots with compressed air. Dirt often causes drift. While open, test buttons and sticks by reconnecting via USB to see live input. If potentiometers or tactile switches read inconsistent values, desolder and replace them. Because worn parts, you finish by reassembling with care. Reseat ribbons, align shells, and tighten screws evenly so buttons sit flush. Connect via USB and update firmware through the Xbox Accessories app because software mismatches can break features. Test every button, trigger, and stick in the controller diagnostics. Make small adjustments if triggers feel off. If problems persist, try the controller on another console to isolate console versus controller failure. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the controller before replacing major parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.